Hello everybody. In this film today I want to discuss about glass rods. As you know, the laser rods are either in glass or either in YAG material. These are the two kind that we find mainly. The difference is that with the YAG material we can go CW, we can go also to a high repetition rate, but the efficiency is quite low. The other rods are housed in glass. Glass has the problem of lower grade thermal conductivity than YAG, but still we can use high energy pulses in a low repetition rate, and we have systems that need this feature. So glass rods is higher demand of manufacturing, and we got most of our experience. We started from large defense contracts that we had for these kind of erbium rods. We doped them with erbium, ytterbium, and chrome. Depends if we pump either with lasers or with flash lamp. So that dictates what type of doping we put from each dopant. And we started with erbium and found lots of trouble in manufacturing, in coating, and we had to cope with these difficulties. We tried to use very good coaters in the world, and we were not successful. So that's why we had to really develop a good process that will give us the results that were needed. So the defense application needed high laser damage and very good parallelism, very good stability. So we started to explore what are the difficulties. The erbium is very sensitive to heat, cold, very sensitive to the environment. It's getting water, a lot of problems that we have to address them all together. So we bought some very expensive German equipment. We had to find a special way, different from the normal way to polish it. And then we started to see good results. And today we have a very good process for all these glass rods that we get very uniform production. And also we get a very superb coating that is lasting for many shots. And even in defense applications, when they require millions of shots, we have been passing these tests. And then we also supplying to commercial applications these kind of rods with the same process we offer to everybody. And this is really our specialty, these glass rods. Thank you very much for sharing your time with us today. I hope that what we have been giving you is helpful for you. If you have more questions, please do contact me. I am available for you. I will assist you. And Arsuf Lasers has the experience to share with you. Please call us and come back to us. Thank you very much.